Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like and comment down below your views. So it is 12 a.m. on Friday. I want to cook lunch. I'm cooking lunch actually. My rice is boiling. Napika mchele na waru rice and potatoes. So that is what we're having for lunch. And I'm here and rice. My rice is overflowing, man. So we are cooking rice and waru for me and my baby girl. So let's cook together. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? Mimi niko salama, wewe uko salama? How's your morning coming along? For me it is chilly out here. It is chilly, but anyway, we are thankful. We thank God for the gift of life. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. So as you can see, I'm undoing my hair. I've just trimmed. Imechapa manze, the hair, it was so bad. So I'm undoing my hair, number one, because today is on Wednesday, Sunday is church, and I have to be done with this hair by tomorrow so that I wash it and I plait it if I'm plating. But I want to do something very simple, so you guys will see. I'll take you guys along. So I'm so happy this morning. I'm extremely excited because I've not posted for the last 1 week, as you guys noticed, and even this video won't see it right now, but the time that you'll see, ukienda back on my previous videos, you'll see that I didn't post for a whole week because the app I was using to edit my videos was giving me copyright vibes, and I don't want no copyright vibes. When your video is copyrighted, that video can be considered as useless, honestly, because if you are copyrighted, it's just not a good vibe for you. So I posted like 5 videos, 5 good videos, and when I check my studio, it tells me the video is copyrighted. Oh my goodness, I was so stressed. Mind you, it's 2 GB, around 2 GB, 2 to 3 GB per video. Alafu, you've posted, you're happy, your content is out there. You check your YouTube studio, you find it is copyrighted. Oh my goodness, I was feeling so bad. So I was researching and I talked to some people, and I asked the apps they're using, whatever. They were kind enough to tell me, and I also found a way to find free music. So yeah, and I posted, and I'm so happy that I'm happy because I know, you know what, my video is finally up. When I'm not posting a video and I'm not recording a video, I feel so bad. And then my phone has a lot of videos, I'm recording different clips here and there, so you might find a clip is 20 minutes. Just when you see on the video, I forward it, so you won't know it's how long, but you might find the clip is around 30 minutes or 20 minutes, so the spacing becomes limited. So I can't, it was so bad because I can't upload, number one. Number two, I can't even record. I can't create more content because my phone space is just misbehaving. My videos are being copyrighted. Oh my god, it was so bad. But I'm finally happy because I am back. Hey, I am back. Ooh, I am back. My baby is yawning on the bed, so I'm so happy. Come say hi. Come. She's coming very fast. Akina akona homa. My baby has a cold. Hi. Say hi. Say good morning. We just woke up. Good morning. How you doing? She's dripping mucus. She has homa. Tapona, sidio? Yeah. So make sure you subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Give the video a like, and also I'll just be posting whatever video I find, especially vlogs. I'll be posting them because where nilikuwa nimejichocha ati nitakuwa na post, I'll be posting siju what and what, and I find it a bit difficult because I might have 3 vlogs and I've already posted a vlog for this week, so inakuwa a bit difficult. So just bear with me. But you know what? I'm promising you amazing content. If you've not subscribed, you're missing out on so much. And it doesn't mean because you subscribe you can't tell your people, tell your friends, your family, your husband, your wife, your children. Subscribe to my channel. Okay? So mwah. Hey guys, just came back from the shop. Right now it's 6:30 in the evening. So I got this spinach. A bunch went for 10 bob. Bunch mbili, 2 bunches. Because I'm cooking spaghetti today, and in our house we always eat our food with vegetables. So I bought this This went for 20 shillings. I bought 4 wafers for my baby. These things are so sweet. So sweet. We ate one. Yeah. So I bought 3. Each went for 5 shillings. So this was 20 shillings. I bought 2 bananas for my baby. She already ate half of this. So this is 10 shillings. I bought 2 eggplants. I love these biringanyas so much. Each went for 10 shillings. And I bought a courgette for 10 shillings. So this is 20, this is 10, and I bought 3 onions for 10 shillings each. So this is 30 shillings. And I bought tomatoes. There are two types. These ones went for 3 for 20 bob, and these pairs and the rest were for 5 shillings. So I wanna wash them as I prepare for supper. So tag along with me. Don't mind the lighting. It's 6:30 in the evening, so that's why.